Cracker Barrel Old Country Store is well known for its rustic homestyle dining and country-themed retail shop. Some diners appreciate its classic comfort food and nostalgic ambience, with TripAdvisor reviewers highlighting hearty portions and friendly service at select locations. The restaurant's unique blend of dining and shopping adds to its charms for many first time visitors. However, critical voices on Reddit express concerns about declining food quality and inconsistent service. Some posts argue that Cracker Barrel's menu has become outdated, offering bland dishes lacking freshness or creativity. Another unpopular opinion thread criticizes the chain for relying too heavily on nostalgia, stating that its food quality doesn't justify the prices. While Cracker Barrel retains its old fashioned appeal, dining experiences seem to depend heavily on location and customer expectations.